So let's take a look at this record button and what a valuable resource it provides. Now you'll notice that the focus person here is Sarah, the person directly underneath the blue highlighted section. As we click on the record button, we'll notice that Sarah is the one highlighted in all of the information. In this upper section here in white, we'll see her name and everything that was indexed about her. She's a female, 40s, in the 1910 census, the event place, an estimated birth year based on the age given in the census, the marital status, the race, the relationship to the head of the household. She's the wife to the head. Her father's birthplace is North Carolina, mother's North Carolina. And the other three you'll never need to worry about in this project. If we'll scroll down, this next section is highly informational. We see the relationship of her listed in bold to the rest of the family. So she is the wife to the head, and then we see daughters, sons, son-in-law, sister-in-law, all of these things, but that Sarah is the focus person. If we'll go ahead and close out this little pop-up, let's change the focus person and see what that changes. Let's change it to John. So that swapped, and now Sarah is just underneath John, so John is now the focus person directly under the blue heading. Let's click on the record button and see what changes. Now John is listed and all of his information, everything in white has changed. If we scroll down, John is now in bold and he is the head with all of the relationships pertaining to him. Let's again close out this record and change it to one of the children. Let's change it to Nettie. All right, we'll see that Nettie is now the focus person right underneath the blue. Her parents are listed above, and now all of her siblings are listed in the siblings category. So let's click on the record button and see what's changed. We'll now see that Nettie and all of her information are in this upper white section. Now down below, we'll see that she is the one bolded with the proper distinctions of role.